Hey YouTube, well done RC, out here with Beau and Butters. And Beau and I are going to run these little 24th scale trucks around. We set up a little climbing area here, so hopefully it works out pretty well. So without further ado, let's get set up here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave some great comments. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for all so you know when we're posting new videos. Let's go have some fun. We are in, we're running in the low speed crawler mode. Oh. Yep, I hit, and they do some tricks too. So you can get to going, kick that thing up, do you some backwards. Oh yeah, and then you can go backwards and then kick it up on two wheels. Oh, too much. Hey, flip me over, bud. Flip me over, bud. Now flip yourself over.
I'm trying to go over and flip you over. How do you do that?
Yeah, they're pretty stunty. Some wheelie action. Some front wheelie action. Oh yeah.
I kind of want to see this truck. One half take one.
Oh yeah.
Take one.
Let's go. They're pretty peppy for what? Hey dude, come on. They're pretty peppy for little bitty trucks. Let me get out your way. Go on down, go to the left. There you go. Good job, buddy.
Unless I go. I'm going to go drop my kids off.
Just out having some RC fun.
Excuse me. Can you flip me over?
Yeah, let me see if I can. Hold on. Let me get around there. Back up. Where are you going, dude? You don't want to flip back over. There we go. Come on. Go flip yourself back over. All right. Now, you want to do stunts too? Yeah. All right, this channel 3 switch right here, flip it all the way to the right, and it'll put it in high speed. And then you can go forward, and then throw it in reverse. Get you some rear wheelie action. Oh, look at that monster truck. Get it. It might work a little bit better if I mowed the yard. It just snaps on there. Bring it here, let me see.
Actually, this might be the problem that's going heavy on it.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's go here. Make sure that's in those two little slots. Snap us right back in.
Ready?
And get it. Alright, so if you go in reverse and then throw it into drive forward. So let's try it at the same time. Let's go in reverse, then forward, Oh. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull that spare tire off. Let's see if that helps anything. Just give me that spare tire and...
See, wrapping all the way around.
Set it back down, bud.
See if this works. Oh, oh. Flip me over, Dad.
Flip me over, Beau. Alright, we're going to go back into crawler mode so we got more torque. Climb right up on that bad boy, look at that. Come at a different angle here. There we go. I got you, bud. Alright, go back to your crawl mode. All the way to the left on your switch. Let's crawl up this mountain here. Try not to get caught on those places like that.
So I can get some gas on it. Gas.
Yeah, these little FMS trucks are fun, dude.
Right now.
They're very capable.
Gas? Okay. Okay, I'm full. Yeah, okay.
Are you at the gas station there? Yep.
Oh, that's the structure. Excuse me.
Do a little slow crawl up the top. Oh yeah. Dude. Go flip it over, hurry up. Try to drive up the center so you quit flipping over, alright? Just give it a little bit of throttle. That way you don't go too fast and flip over. You're able to control it. All about crawling is about slow speed. So you just give it just a little throttle till you start to move, and then watch what it's doing as it's driving. You don't want to try to flip it over. There you go. There you go. Go slow. All right. There you go. Let's turn them back around.
Like that one.
Yeah, these little trucks are fun. Then you can kick it in high gear and do some tricks. Oh yeah, straight stand up. Let's dance it, dance it, dance it. See if I can get you over, bud. Good job. Hey, you need to come over here and sit down. Sit. You better start listening or you're not going to stay out here. Yeah, you got to watch on turning, dude. Easy now, easy, easy.
And I can flip myself over. Not it.
Now remember, you don't want to go super fast when you're turning. You might flip over like you did a second ago. Get over here and lay down. Stay. No, you can't play with them. Butters. Hold on, bud. You're gonna mess the gears up.
That's nothing right there.
All right, you need to go back into crawl mode.
Hey!
Go back into crawl mode. That's too fast for you. You're trying to go full throttle and you don't need to. Let's just crawl up this. Ooh, nice flip around. Flip us over, bud. I'm kind of hung up over there.
Oh, get the kid.
Yep, fun little trucks. I can't wait to get my little crawler course set up. It's gonna be fun. I got a lot of old pallets and stuff out there. Flip me over, buddy. Nope. They do have the Power Wagon in 3 different colors. There's a red, yellow, and the blue.
I'm trying to drop.
Butters,
You don't go inside.
come here, girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. And then the monster truck, I believe they have it in the blue and then a white.
You got both blue.
But like I said, I'll have my link in the description below if you guys want to pick one up. It'll help support my channel. All right, let's climb back up to the top, bud. You come up that way, and I'll come up this way.
He's gonna eat the grass. He's watching us.
Well, all right, YouTube. That is the FMS 24 scale crawlers, the Power Wagon, and the Smasher monster truck. Great fun, small scale, super capable. So
Fun for kids
until next
and
time,
grown-ups.
yep, it's fun for kids and grown-ups. So until next time, this is Will Done RC with Beau, and we're signing out.